Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Epic Games account already associated with another account. You will start by going to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, click on your profile and click on Sign Out. After that, click on the profile icon and now you will log into Epic Games with a different account. When you log in, you will click on the profile and select Account. You're going to go to the Apps and Accounts section. You can see the different applications where you have logged in. In the application with the error, click Remove. Now you are going to check all the boxes and then click on Remove Account. Thanks to this, you will no longer receive the error that the account is associated with another in Epic Games. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.